So this place is a mess, not gonna lie, it's giving chaos. So if you've been putting off cleaning like me, grab your coffee, put your comfies on, and let's clean together. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like productive vlogs like this. I have to clean today. I'm literally forcing myself. Usually when I clean, I'm like in a cleaning mood, and I'm just not. With that said, I think that cleaning gets easier when you remember it's a thing you're doing to make life less miserable, and it's not a thing that you're doing as a punishment, even though I know it can feel like that sometimes. When I kind of shift my perspective, it kind of gets me motivated to clean. I'm also a little delulu. I like to imagine that I invited people over and I'm like, okay, they're gonna see my home, and it works like a charm. So this is kind of a guide for people that are struggling to find that motivation, or for people with ADHD like me who get sidetracked and get easily bored. Also, I gave myself bangs the other day. I just wanted like side bangs, but I think I need to go maybe a little shorter. First things first, put on a playlist that you love. Sometimes I like listening to something I normally don't listen to, like jazz, house, something funky, something that is like high energy that's gonna get me going. Sometimes, and this is usually when I'm in my luteal phase, I'll listen to more like Sade, relaxing, calming vibes. But today I am ovulating. That definitely impacts my mood and kind of like where I'm at mentally. And right now I want to turn up. And I will actually leave a few playlists linked down below that I made here on YouTube.
See what I see, feel what I felt, feel what I felt.
Step one in my guide, I like to always start by removing the trash. So I will go room by room, get all of the trash out of the whole house.
I make it look too easy, believe me. Heard I'm good, so you bleeding. Deceive me, changing up your tone, trying to switch it up. Want me all alone, you can get in.
Sometimes we carry so much mental clutter, and I feel like our homes start to reflect that. The laundry piles up, the dishes wait, and suddenly everything feels heavy. But the moment you grab a coffee, turn on some music, and start with just one spot, it shifts. And I feel like you're not just clearing physical space, you're releasing stagnant energy, and you're saying, I deserve peace, I deserve clarity, and I deserve to live in a space that loves me back. And then part of step one is getting all of the dishes out of the rooms. So typically I don't have any dishes in my room. Every now and then I'll have a glass or two on my makeup table, but I am always sure to find dishes in my kids' room. Now, I do make my kids clean their own rooms, but I do remove the dishes. Step two would be cleaning my cat's litter box. If you don't have a cat, maybe you have dogs, I don't know, any kind of animal cleanup, I would do now. And I actually already did my cat box, so I won't be showing you that today. Probably a good thing. Step three, get your laundry going. I actually already started a load, so I'm gonna put that in the dryer and start a new load. And then just kind of rotate that until all of your laundry is done. And I love starting with those steps because that gets me in the groove. Because step four is picking a room that you want to clean. Sometimes I like to start with the kitchen, sometimes I like to start with the bathrooms, sometimes my room. It really just depends on my mood. So pick a room, clean it. When you're done cleaning that room, pick another room. And when you're cleaning each room, you're not gonna do the floors. You're not gonna sweep or mop or vacuum. You're just gonna clean the room. Today, I think I'm going to start in the bathrooms. I asked you guys for your cleaning recommendations. A lot of you guys recommended the Sponge Daddy with the scrubber and these Bowl Fresh tabs.
Let me go, love me, leave me, I need to know. Do you want me or can I go?
Usually I am in a cleaning mood. This day I was not. And some days it's just hard. Motivation doesn't always show up, but cleaning a little is a way of showing up for yourself. It's saying, I may not control everything, but I can control this act of care today. So if you are in a season where things feel messy, physically or emotionally, know that you're not alone. Start small, pour into your space, and slowly it will pour back into you. Because home isn't just where you live, it's literally how we feel inside. And I know that might sound a little cheesy, but it's so true. Your environment shapes your self-image and mindset more than you imagine. So deeply cleaning can instantly make everything feel lighter, almost like you're wiping away old energy and making room for something new. So like moving your mirror or your bed to a different spot might seem small, but waking up from a new angle can literally shift your perspective. Adding a plant or flowers to your bedside table brings you fresh energy. Throwing away things that remind you of your old self, if it carries weird energy or feels tied to a version of you that no longer fits, it's gotta go. I like to think of this as making space for a new me. And your space is a reflection of you. So when you refresh it, your mindset naturally follows. Keeping things very real here, I took a really long break, like a 2-hour break. I've been scrolling on my phone and eating. Well, I did need to eat, so I mean, I guess that's fine. And then I started dancing and whatever, like I'm having fun. It's just, I feel like, it's like, come on, Casey, like get this shit done. Ugh. And I thought like me recording would keep me like focused. It's okay. I'm gonna jump back in.
I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about. I said don't blow my high. I'm on that carpet ride. I've been swerving, I'm a servant to my magic side. I was in a magic city, going 50-50. I bet it all up on that red and they got real shifty. Pity, pity, it's a petty crime. You see how people change their vibe when it's green up on their mind. Kevin fed a line, but fuck if I know. I'm searching for them high notes. I'm slipping in my slippers, playing samples off this vinyl. Getting better every motherfucking session with my freshness. This is imperfection, with a touch of perfect. No, I fucking murked it at the merchants, and I purchased what my curses in between these verses. How I really feel. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me the eye. I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try. For the sake of time, just give me an eye. I know it's not always easy. Time slows, still trying to find the reason. Hold on to those dreams of.
Isn't it so satisfying to put your things back on the counter after you've cleaned it? I love that part. Next, I am gonna go hit my kids' bathroom. Usually I do make them clean this, but they are not here right now. They're out with friends, so I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up for them.
Can you keep me high? Like to see you try.
I've been thinking about good times. So tell me all your worst lies. I believe them if I try.
Can you try?
For the sake of time, just give me
to get out of those jeans. I never clean in jeans. I just liked my outfit today. I didn't want to change, but it was not working. So I got the bathrooms clean, and now I'm going to clean my room. I have not gardened since December 2024, and I gardened today. I had a gummy. I should have been done. And I'm just taking my sweet ass time. I think that gardening kind of threw a wrench in there. I'm like, I should have ate it after. The messiest part of my bedroom is always my makeup vanity. I try to put things away as I go, but you know how that goes. Also, I got some new lashes. I love these, and also some new red cherry lashes. I forgot about this brand, and I found them on Amazon, and I was so happy.
Recognize, hey, we can take a trip. Just tell me where you wanna go. All I wanna do is please you. Smile on your face, miss you good. Just say what you want. I can get you anything you need. Cause I don't mind spending a dime on a dime, girl. I just wanna get hard to you. Your happiness is priceless. Your happiness is priceless. I'm a fire from where to die. Spend a couple dimes on my timepiece. Chase some bad shit to make you smile. Slow when you're out cause you like me. Yeah, you like me. Party going on, you invite me. We got everything we thought it might be. So I wanna give you everything in my reach. I don't mind spending the time on my time, girl.
Putting dishes away, wiping down the counters. The kitchen actually isn't too bad. I've been staying on top of it. Normally, I would vacuum or lint roll my couch, but I did that a few days ago, so just did a little fluffing.
Do I really want it bad on my own, and is it really worth the fake shit? Just a homie like you know me, but found out you only get me back to make it. Angel on my shoulder telling me let it go, but really, man, I just hate this. Yeah, that you sold me some dreams, and then the things that leave me feeling jaded. And I know.
Step 5 is the floors. So once I have every single room clean, I will then go in and sweep all the tile, vacuum all the carpet, and then mop all of the tile.
Why you always need a reason? Going down by the seasons. Why you always need a reason? Going down by the seasons. Back and forth for no reasons. Going down by the season. Why you always need a reason? Back and forth for no reason. Hey, don't be mad cause I know it, ho. This guilty pleasure got me wanting more. I know what shit is what my heart implores. Feeling dumb again about shit I couldn't ignore.
Like your angel beam to a devil gene. Kazuya on the fight machine. Champagne where you said at last I settled, you wasn't mad. Time passed when the same shit. You mad at that, lost hope with this. Yeah.
Alright, so for my mop job, I kind of half-assed it. I usually only use my Swiffer Power Mop for like cleanups, but I just went through the whole house with this. It'd be like that sometimes. Also, I vacuumed, but you don't see me doing that because my phone died. and I didn't want to wait for it to charge. Step 6 is light your candle. I know not everyone loves to burn candles. I am a candle girly. I love them. I have backstock of them. I cannot be without candles. So this is the step where I would light a candle, light some incense. Now that everything is clean, it's time for my favorite part, enjoying the cozy reset. A little solo sesh of Netflix and chill. True crime documentaries? What am I gonna watch? Me and Doja are sending good vibes to everyone that made it to the end of this video. I did shower before I Netflix and chilled. I just had to take like a 5-minute break. Isn't it so satisfying to just relax in a clean house? Oh, it's my favorite. All right, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.